is BirdNote. There's so much we can do to help birds right where we live, like planting native species and keeping cats indoors. But for species like the tufted puffin, which lives on remote cliffsides and islands away from people, what can an ordinary person do to help? University of Puget Sound professor Peter Hodum, who studies seabird conservation, says that if you can't do something about a problem, find someone who can.
Writing letters, writing to decision makers and politicians about things like the fate of the tufted puffin, about what's going on with forage fish and forage fish conservation, what's going on with the conservation of eelgrass beds and our kelp forests. It may not seem like that's moving the needle, but having talked with decision makers, they don't get that many letters or emails that are not just form emails. And so they take note of those things. Although it's maybe not as satisfying as planting native plants in your garden, that is real.
BirdNote is on a mission to inspire 1 million people to take action to help birds over the next 3 years. To learn what you can do, visit birdnote.org. I'm Michael Stein.